Are you looking for the absolute best battery charger for your vehicle? Today, I'm talking about the CS ONE. Hello everyone, my name is Johan Strömer and today I will talk to you about the world's most technologically advanced battery charger that, at the same time, is the easiest one to use. I'm of course talking about the CS ONE. Inside the CS ONE we have a new charging technology called APTO. And this is the only charger in the world that has this APTO technology. So what is it? Well, previously we've had smart charging and automatic charging. But what APTO gives us is truly adaptive charging. What that means on a technological level is that this charger will adapt its own charging algorithm based on the battery it is connected to. So it will always give the perfect charge. As I told you, it is the most technologically advanced battery charger in the world. What it means for you and for me who are using the charger, however, is simplicity. We don't need to know what type of battery we have, what size it is. We don't even need to know which terminal is the negative and which one is the positive on the battery. We don't need to adjust any settings and we don't need to choose any modes. All we need to do is simply charge. Let me show you. I will now connect the clamps to the charging points on the vehicle, which we have here and here. And as you can see, both clamps are colored black, so it doesn't matter which clamp I put on which charging points. The CS ONE will figure that out by itself. I will now connect the CS ONE to the power outlet. And there we go. I don't have to do anything else. It's simplicity in its greatest form. Now, we've also added some additional features to the CS ONE that can be unlocked through the free CTEK app. So just pick up your phone and connect it to the CS ONE through Bluetooth to start using these features. So what are they? Well, first we have Wake Up. Let's say you have a lithium battery that has closed down because of its UVP or under voltage protection. Or perhaps you have a lead-acid battery that is so deeply discharged that it can't be detected by a regular battery charger. Then just pick up your phone and choose Wake Up to bring that battery back to life. The second additional feature is Recon. Let's say you have a worn-out battery that is not in peak condition. Then you can use this feature to restore and recondition that battery so that you can use its full capacity. The final additional feature is Supply, which turns the CS ONE into a 12-volt supply. And this is useful if you, for example, are changing the battery in the vehicle, but you need to keep powering the electronic systems while doing it. As you can see, the CS ONE is a real game changer when it comes to battery charging, and it really has never been easier to charge your vehicle. My name is Johan Strömer, and if you have any questions regarding the CS ONE, please leave them in the comments below or contact us through social media or our website. Both me and the rest of the team here at CTEK would be happy to help. Thanks for watching.